Your Rivian was built with purpose. And when it needs repair, every detail matters. At K&M Collision, we offer complimentary pickup and delivery from your home or office and handle rental coordination, so your journey never stops. As a Rivian Certified Collision Center, we follow Rivian's exact structural repair guidelines, using Rivian-approved equipment, tools, and repair procedures. Every repair uses genuine Rivian OEM replacement parts, engineered for precise fit, safety, and performance. Our technicians are factory-trained to perform full ADAS recalibration using Rivian's authorized scan and calibration systems, ensuring your vehicle's sensors, radar, and cameras function exactly as designed. We're proud to be the most certified collision center in the country, trusted by leading manufacturers to restore vehicles to pre-collision condition and beyond. This isn't just bodywork, it's certified structural restoration, performed with the same intent your Rivian was built with. K&M Collision. Certified, trusted, proven.